My name is Jeff Miranda and I'm with Pacific AV, and we're currently sitting in the sanctuary of Claremont United Church of Christ.
My name is Jacob Buchholz, and my wife Jennifer Strickland and I are senior co-pastors here at Claremont United Church of Christ. This sanctuary hosts a lot of great mid-century architecture. It was built in 1956. The benches that I'm sitting on are from the famous woodworker Sam Maloof. We actually have 60-foot ceilings, and so the ceilings are enormous. And we have this beautiful Glatter-Goetz organ that was built 20 years ago and was actually the inspiration for building the organ in Disney Concert Hall. This beautiful space, we have worked really hard to make sure that the acoustics are just right for music. And so our organ sounds amazing in here. So we're having a lot of problems with the spoken word.
This is a large A-frame style church with lots of lively room acoustics. Just like many sanctuaries of this era, the acoustics of this room were designed to bring out the sound of the choir and the pipe organ.
The speakers that we were using would often not get the spoken word to all the places in the sanctuary. You would find that there were dead spots in the sanctuary where when you were preaching or anyone was speaking from the pulpit or lectern, you couldn't hear them very well. We wanted to try to address the challenge of how to evenly distribute the sound throughout the whole sanctuary.
We installed a single pair of Renkus-Heinz ICONYX IC24s. We were able to aim the sound down at the congregation while keeping the sound off the walls, ceiling, and other reflective surfaces.
We have been using these speakers for a few weeks now, and they work impeccably. So everyone in the congregation has noticed the massively improved sound. I've actually had the opportunity to go out and sit in the sanctuary and listen to the spoken word here, and I was amazed at the improved quality of sound. We never knew before this on a Sunday whether or not our sound system was going to go out or whether or not someone was going to receive our message accurately. We really appreciate the opportunity to be able to have full confidence in what people are hearing, and that makes our job easier.
Being able to direct the sound and aim it towards the audience is paramount in any reverberant space, and the ICONYX does that better than anything.